Welcome back to our channel. So today it is a Monday and it was actually snowing earlier. This is so weird, right? Because the weather now looks so nice, like the sky's blue. It was snowing earlier, you'd never even know that it was.
It's still melted.
Yeah, how crazy. But I really wish that it actually settled. Like, I actually really wanted the snow.
It snowed it, but then Jazzy wouldn't be able to get here probably.
True. Actually, I have a friend coming around, Jasmine, and you guys probably know her as Jazzy Bum. We're going to be filming some collabs today and I'm very excited. So she's coming down from Reading, right? That's like quite far, isn't it? Like hour?
Like an hour ago?
Yeah, an hour, so it's not too bad. Also, by the way, look at the plant. It's in the day. You can see it so much better now.
It looks good.
Yeah, and Sky hasn't eaten it yet, which is the good thing. She's just sleeping over there.
But she has knocked it over once.
She has knocked it over, and look, we've put like rocks at the bottom of it, like literally stones, to keep it into place so that she doesn't like knock it over as easy. But yeah, she's been quite naughty lately, hasn't she?
Have you been naughty?
She has, but now she's sleeping.
And I'm just editing the vlog, the intro that you would have just seen.
Yeah.
I can't believe, like, it's just so weird. I was not expecting snow yet.
No, neither. Well, so weird.
Probably wasn't expecting snow till December again.
Yeah, true. Also, we've been thinking that we really want to get a picture for this wall. And since you guys really love, like, our decorating, like, vlogs and stuff, we really want you guys to be involved in it as well. So we thought maybe if you guys have any suggestions on what kind of, like, pictures we should get for the walls, and also, like, a side table for here. A few of you guys in the last vlog actually linked some like things in the comments, like chairs and stuff, because you guys know that we struggled with getting a chair for this room. So yeah. Yeah,
that was cool. I saw a few comments. We do need a good side table, but all the ones I see are like gold or marble.
Yeah.
And we've already got like glass
got copper and
copper,
glass.
but then that's gold.
True. Kind of mixing the metals a little bit, but yeah, we definitely need something for this wall, I reckon.
Yeah.
Just a bit plain.
Those lights annoy me a little.
Yeah, we need to change those, don't we? And also, they're not like
symmetrical. Yeah, they annoy me because they're not symmetrical.
Yeah.
Well, they're symmetrical. It's the sofa that's not.
Yeah.
But the sofa has to go there because of the desk.
Yeah.
So the lights make it look weird, but
yeah, we're really glad that you guys like the space because it's been quite stressful trying to get all this furniture to kind of like fit together. So what should we have for breakfast, or should I say lunch?
Well, we've had breakfast. So.
Yeah, we've had breakfast. Lunch. I'm actually thinking of maybe having this.
Yeah, we've got a couple of those left over.
Yeah, we need to.
From that video.
This looks nice actually. Yeah, I'll have this. Do you want this? I kind of want some of this. This is the pizza.
You want some of it?
Yeah, just a little, like one slice.
It's mine.
No, come on, one slice.
All right, I'm having a little bit of yours then.
Okay,
well.
yeah.
All right, let's do these. So that's another microwave one.
Yeah, this is in the oven.
Sweet.
Right.
Let's get it going.
Cool. So this is the mac and cheese, and honestly, I really wanted to like this, but it smells vile, doesn't it? Wow. It's actually making me feel a bit sick.
I've ate a bit of it.
I don't know why it smells so bad. I think it's because it's got mushroom in it, and I just hate mushroom. I might try.
You're taking half my pizza.
Oh my god, it's actually making me feel sick. That's how bad it smells. Let me just try a little bit. Oh my god, no, I don't think I can try it.
Eat it.
No. No. I think I don't give this one a thumbs up. The other ones are so good from Wicked Kitchen, but that one is just gross.
Yeah, they're pretty good. The pizza's probably the best thing.
Yeah, pizza's the best thing, so I'm just gonna have half of Matt's pizza.
Great.
So in the next vlog, we're actually really excited because we're going to a furniture show. Yay!
The same one we went to last year.
Is it? I thought we went to Spring Fair.
No, we went to the Spring Fair and the furniture show.
So basically, for those of you who don't know what a furniture show is, it's kind of like a marketplace where you can buy different things like furniture, furnishings, things like that.
It's all manufacturers.
Yeah.
Really, trying to find people to sell what they sell.
Yeah, definitely. And basically, we're going there because obviously you guys know that we want to start our own like homeware store / homeware merch at some point. So we thought this would be quite a beneficial little place to go to, because potentially we might find the product that we'll be selling in our stores.
Yeah, well,
so that'd be really cool.
When we went last year, I found loads of things that I'd be really happy to sell on our website.
Yeah, there's quite a lot of cool things there, to be honest.
Yeah, but whilst moving, we lost pretty much all the contacts.
Yeah,
anyway, so.
we did, so we have to go again. And it's free to go to too, so it's cool.
But the thing is, it's not like anyone can go. You do have to have a company.
Yeah, that's true. You have to have a company to go. So you have to like register to get tickets and stuff. But I'm really excited. Yeah, we'll vlog it so you guys get to see.
And I don't think they can see the tabs, but we have been looking at
flights to Iceland. Woo!
For March.
Maybe. I mean, potentially we might go.
It's all down to me, really, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all down to whether you can do it.
It's just, I mean, as you guys know, we talked about this. My anxiety around public transport, and I'm not scared of flying at all. I actually love flying. It's just, public spaces and stuff. Because it's all about having your own, personal space, somewhere to feel. Like, my thing is, I like to feel alone. It sounds really weird, but
you like to have your own little bubble.
Like if I'm anxious, I like to go somewhere where I can feel alone.
And you can't really do that on a plane with
and
like, lots of people.
Yeah, you can't do that on a plane, you can't do that on a bus, because you're surrounded by people.
Yeah.
And it's hard to explain, but in the moment when you're anxious, you feel like everyone's watching you.
Yeah.
You feel like they're all judging you, so that's kind of the reason behind that. But
yeah, but I'm sure this will make you feel a little bit better and a bit more safe.
Yeah, I mean, like, the Blue Lagoon, I really miss the Blue Lagoon.
Yeah, we went there 3 years ago now, and we just loved it so much, and that was before Matt like developed anxiety, and we've always wanted to go back, so potentially in March we might go.
It was amazing last time.
Yeah, it was snowing, and it was really, really warm, because obviously it's like natural spring water in the Blue Lagoon, so it was really, really hot, but then it was snowing on our faces. It was just the weirdest experience ever.
And we got to see the Northern Lights, which we filmed.
Yeah, that was probably like my favourite holiday I've ever been on, just because it was so fun. And I'm not really one to like love cold countries. I mean, I love cold countries, but I prefer to go on like a hot holiday, as most people would.
Yeah.
So this is really unusual that this is my favourite holiday, to be honest.
Honestly, my favourite place in the world is Iceland, but
yeah,
my biggest worry is booking this, maybe getting to the airport and not being able to do it.
I don't think you will, because you want to go enough that you'll just beat it by yourself, I reckon.
Yeah.
I believe in you. I believe in you.
Let's put in a little montage of our last Iceland trip then.
Yeah.
To sort of get me a bit motivated.
Exactly. Roll the clip. Enjoyed those clips. If we do go ahead with this trip, you guys are definitely going to be the first ones to know, and we're going to create some like amazing vlogs from that trip if we do go.
If I can get to Iceland, I'm going to make the best videos I've ever made before.
And like we'll take our drone, it will just be so cool.
Yeah, it will be like full gear.
And we're also looking at really cool places to stay at in like Airbnbs across Reykjavik in Iceland. And there's some really cool places that aren't even that expensive to stay in.
I know it sounds weird, but I kind of want to stay in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, me too. Because then imagine like the photos and stuff, like it would just be so cool. Okay guys, so it's a little bit later now, and look who I'm with.
Hi.
Hello. We have actually been hanging out for so long now, but like, yeah, but we haven't.
Like 12:30.
I know. What time is it now?
for?
Oh my god, yeah, I haven't even like picked up the camera. Wait, let me zoom in a little bit. Haven't picked up the camera. We've been to like Subway and had a good little sandwich, didn't we?
We've just been talking.
Just been talking for ages, and I just didn't even bother to pick up the camera. But we are here. We're planning our collab, aren't we, in a minute?
We're sorting it out.
Yeah, we were meant to film today, but then we just kind of decided, oh, let's just like have a chat and not film. But we're gonna film next time.
Give us extra ideas down below.
Yes, give us ideas what you guys want us to film, because you kind of already know what we might film.
I know what we're doing.
But I don't really know what to film for my channel. So yeah, give us suggestions what you would like me and Jasmine to do, because I have no idea. So we're just gonna probably hang out, aren't we? Just gonna plan our collabs. Don't really know what else to say, but we're gonna finish the vlog here because this has to go up like now. So Matt's gonna edit it, and then you'll be seeing it real time. So thank you so much.
I'm still
for
probably
watching.
here. Yeah, while you're watching this. I'm probably still here.
So comment down below, and you'll actually see the comment of the
exactly.
video.
Yeah, and then we'll actually get to plan our videos. So yeah, make sure you comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.